am applying the thermal grease onto the CPU so that when it is connected to the fan, it conducts the heat. Okay, so are we putting this first?
Yeah, just getting there. First, we need to screw the fan so it will stay good. First, we need to be sure that the fan are tight before we put everything in, because we don't want the fan to move around and scratch the motherboard.
Okay, yeah, this is the screws for this one, right?
Yes, that's it.
Or is it for this?
Yes.
No, it's for this.
Yeah.
You want to get the screwdriver?
Don't tie it. Be sure you tie everything at the same time.
I was doing it the wrong way.
Tie it in there.
Hold on.
Wait a minute. Take everything out. It's wrong.
Oh.
Because you gotta be sure. You see this? This is supposed to be going to the back, and this is supposed to go into the front. That's one of the mistakes a lot of people make. So if you see this one, every time you see this, it's supposed to go to the back. Also, it has something over here. You can see arrow that show that it's supposed to be going this way. See?
That way or the other way?
Yeah, sorry about that. No.
It doesn't go all the way through.
Let me see. It is.
No, but look, you remember how this was connected to the motherboard?
Yeah.
It's not gonna reach it.
Oh, it's gonna be